Should I have my air ducts cleaned? In most homes, air duct cleaning is not something you need to do on a regular schedule, but if you notice heavy dust, mold, pests, or a recent renovation, then yes, it is worth having your ducts cleaned by a trusted professional. Think of your air ducts like the lungs of your house. They pull air in, push it through your system, and send it back out into every room. Over time, dust, pet hair, and tiny particles build up inside those metal pathways, kind of like how a straw gets a little gunky if you never rinse it out. Most of that dust just sits there and does not really hurt you, but if you have allergies, pets, or someone with breathing issues at home, that buildup can make things worse. Something a lot of folks do not know is that a small amount of dust in ducts is actually normal and expected, so companies that scare you into cleaning every single year are often just trying to make a sale. What you really want to watch for is visible mold, a musty smell, rodent or bug activity, or dust that keeps blowing out even after you change your filter. If any of those show up, that is your sign to get it checked out and not just cleaned on a whim. One common mistake is assuming duct cleaning will fix allergy problems completely, when really it might only help a little if the real issue is your filter or humidity levels, so change your filter every 1 to 3 months first. Another misconception is that cleaning has to happen every year no matter what, but most homes only need it every 3 to 5 years unless there is a specific issue. A lot of people also forget to ask if the company uses proper vacuum equipment with a truck-mounted or high-powered unit, since a shop vac and a rag is not a real cleaning, so always ask about their equipment before you hire anyone. If you need help with a project like this, you can search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.